It's important that you make sure that your tiles are clean before you get started. A few tools that you're going to want to have on hand are a soft cloth, some scissors, a pencil, a box cutter, and measuring tape. Just simply peel the backing off of your sticker and place it onto the tile. You can use a soft cloth, a firm card, or even your hand to smooth out the bubbles. Cutting out those tricky areas is all a matter of putting your template down, tracing it, cutting it out, putting it down again, and cutting it out some more until you get it just right. The templates work great around the toilet area, making your tile stickers look like perfect custom tiles. Quadrostyle stickers are so easy to apply. Here's the before, and here's the after.